Guys, can you hear me, guys? Please let me know in the chat. Am I audible?
Yes, bro.
Okay, fine. Yes, bro. We can discuss, but not now. Actually, by this Sunday onwards, I will start teaching on second level questions. In the first class, I'm going to be teach about time complexity and space complexity. No need to worry about that. After that only, I will going to be solve all the problems. Okay, fine. And guys, I'm not part of the main Joho exam discussion group. Can you somebody post the that link in that group? Can anybody do that? Kiruba, please do that. Yeah, I'm not part of the Joho exam discussion group, right? Main channel that is which has like a 12,000 people. So please share the webinar link in that group. Oh, fine, super. Okay, guys, we can wait for another minute and then we can start. Okay, guys, let's start the session. Guys, as of now, we have discussed few things, right? We have already discussed about increment and decrement operators. And we have already discussed about arithmetic operators. And we have already discussed about logic. And we have already discussed about conditions, conditional statements. Yeah, today I am going to send everything. Actually, I have a little bit busy with the meeting, so that's why I'm unable to do that. I will share today. And we have already completed loops. That means iterative statements. And what we have completed, guys, other things. Yes. And we have completed transfer statements. Guys, these are the very important for the first round. You have to practice many more questions, then only you can easily crack the first round. Then only you are going to be next round. If you almost clear the first round, you are almost like to get into 80% of chance to get into the job. The first round is very important because only 5% of the people only can clear the first round. So I want you are the part of the in that 5%. Okay, guys. Today I am gonna talk about arrays. Guys, as of now we are using only variables, right? What is the issue with the variables? Let's suppose there is a classroom with the 30 students. If you want to store the 30 student names, what will you do? You cannot store like this, right? String student 1, string student 2. Usually you can't do, right? Because if let's suppose students count is increases, let's suppose 50, let's suppose 100, then every time if you increase now, so it is going to be create problems. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you, right? This is really enough. Only thing is like you have to practice your own. That is the thing. If you really practice after the session, if you really practice now, you will definitely get into like you can crack. That's it. So the problem is here when there is a same type of elements, homogeneous elements, we call it as homogeneous. So that time no need to create these many number of variables. Instead of we can do another thing as we can create one array. Let's suppose we can create an array. Let's suppose student name equal to student name of that size. Is that enough? Because when there is a homogeneous elements, that means in this case, all the students' names, we have a 30. So need not to create a 30 variables for this one. Instead of we can create one array is enough. Yes, understand why we are going to arrays instead of the variables? Yes. Guys, here I'm not going to teach in depth about like how arrays work, strings work like that. I'm telling you like what is the basic things enough. Those things only I'm going to explain here. Okay, guys. What are the here? There is some basic functions we need to remember. What are the basic functions here? First thing, length. In C, we don't have a predefined function, guys. We don't have a predefined function. But in Java, we have a predefined variable that's called dot length. For example, I have created a one array for the students, like a student name string array I have created here. So if you want to know the size of this array, I need to take the reference here. Reference is a student name, student name dot length. It gives the value of 30. That is this array size. This array size. This is very important, guys. Most frequently we will use this one. In the second round also, programming also, we are going to be use this thing only. Let's suppose I am creating one sample array, int array. I am going to create. Let's suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will happen if you try to get the array dot length? It will give the size of this array. What is the size? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will give the 5. Guys, understand this one? Okay, guys. And here one more thing we have to understand is like how actually array is going to be store the values. Array means it's a index based, guys. Array means index based. So array always starts with the 0 index and 1, 2 and so on. Okay, in this case what will happen? We have created a one array with the size of 5. So 5 spaces will be created. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, understand? So the values is going to be stored in this way. 1 will be stored here, 2 will be stored here, 3 will be stored here, 4 will be stored here, and 5 will be stored here. So while if you want to get the value, we have to take in this way array of 0. That means value in the 0th index. This calls as the index, guys. 0th index. What is the value? Array of 0 means in that array at index 0. That value is 1. Like that is going to be get the value. Let's suppose if we take array of 2, what will happen? It is going to be check the second index value. What is the second index value here? 3. So that will return. In this case, let's suppose array of 5. Actually, we have size with 5. But index always be less than less than -1. But we are going to be access the value of 5. Here you can see there is no 5th index. In this case, what will happen? We will get the compile time error. Yes, array index out of bound index. We will get always compile time error. This is the very basic, guys. You have to remember this one. So let's suppose I am creating one character array. Okay, guys, I have created one character array. So I want to iterate through the every element. So what I have to do is I have to create a one while loop here. Int I equal to 0. I less than this length we need to find. We need to iterate until that length is right. So that's why we have to take a dot length. It gives the size of that array. What will be this will be, guys? It is 3. I plus plus. So we have to iterate through array. We have to use like this, right? So if you want to get the access from the first element, what we have to do? A of I. So when I is 0, what value it gives? It gives R, character R. If value is 1, it will give the A. Value is 2, it gives the value J. Guys, these are all characters. Understand, guys? Yes, 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 same. Yes, yes. Yes. Okay, guys. These are, this is the very basic. This is enough for the solve the first round questions based on the arrays. Okay, guys. Next thing is strings. What is mean by string? String is nothing but a character array. Yes, group of characters, we can say character array. Let's suppose here I have taken one string S equal to Rajesh. So what does it mean? Initially, we are going to be creating one memory space, right? Int A equal to 10 means one memory space will be created like this. So same way for string, when we give the string S equal to Rajesh, one memory space is going to be created. That is stored in the string constant pool. I am not going to be discuss about these things, how it will be stored. I'm here giving the simple idea how it is going to be stored. That's it, guys. Okay. So in the strings, we need to remember two important functions. First thing is dot length. It gives the size of that string. For example, here s dot length. What it does? It gives the size of this array. Size of the string. What is the size? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So s dot length, it will give the 5. Guys, here strings and arrays, we need to remember these things, guys. Here in strings, it is a method. So that's why I have used here. But when compared to the when we comes to the arrays, we are not going to be used like this because it is the final variable. This is the final variable. See the difference, guys? This is the method here in strings. S dot length is a method, but arrays A dot length, here length is a final variable. Yes, yes. And the second important method is mostly while solving the level 2 questions, when they have given the one string, we need to convert the string to the character array, guys. Character array. For that one, we have to use this method. To char array. So what will happen initially? Initial string, let's suppose string S is Rajesh. What will happen, guys, after we applied this method S dot toString method, this Rajesh string is going to be converted as a char array. It is going to be like this. Everything is characterized. It is going to be convert like this. Initially it is a string. But in a second round, if you want to do any perform operation, what we have to do? We have to convert that string into the char array. So that's why we need to use this method. These two is very important, guys. And other also we need to remember. That is, if you want to get the character at a certain position, for example, let's suppose s dot caret of 0. Let's suppose 0. I have taken a 0. So here, what is the zeroth position here? R. So it will give the R value. Internally, how it will work? It is going to be create a one array, and that index. Let's suppose it is the 0 index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 0th index value is R, so it returns the R. Let's suppose if we given the value of 4, what will happen? So fourth index, what is the fourth index? Yes, it's going to be given as a yes. Guys, this method is very important, guys. Here we need to remember three things: dot length, dot to char array, dot caret. These are very important, and others also important. But while solving the problem, if you need any method, I will tell you that method. Yes, yes, but in first round, yeah, that is also important. But as of now, in first round, we are not going to use that one. Equals and equal operator, the equal ignore case. There is a lot of other methods also there, but as of now, the not required for the first round. Those things. These are very basic. So that's why. Actually, in the first round, we won't get these many methods like a equals, equal set to character. These are sorry. To char, these methods we won't find because usually the first round questions will be based on the C. So that's why C doesn't have any predefined libraries, right? That's why they won't give any questions based on the libraries. So these are the very basic things you have to understand. That's why I have given. Somebody from the C background, they know only C. Sometimes in the question paper they give the Java problem. So that type of problems, yes, yes. Those are not required for the first round, guys. That's why these are very important things. Okay. Okay, guys. These are the things, and I'm going to talk about functions. Guys, that is I'm telling index of such thing. That is the some teams gives the questions directly on the Java. They won't give based on the C or something else. So in that case, they may give you like index of such thing. Okay. As of now, I'm not explaining of this one because in second round, like after next week onward, while I'm explaining the programs, I'm going to be tell where we are going to use the index of substring as that type of methods I'm going to be explaining. But as of now, those are not needed. Okay, guys. The functions. Guys, what is mean by function? Functions are methods. In C we call as a method. In Java we are going to be called as a method. Guys, what is mean by function? The function means it performs some operation. Let's suppose you need to add a numbers. You need to do addition operation. So if you take A, B, you need to do some operation called addition. How you are going to be do A plus B? So every function, if you want to like be two things you have to you guys have to remember, guys. One thing is reutilization and remove the duplication code. Remove the duplication code. Guys, every method is used for the yes, reusability. Let's suppose there is a main method. Why main method used, guys? Usually main method from the JVM point, what JVM do when we click on the run button, what will happen? JVM will going to be called the main method. Main method. Yes, yes. Not only Java, in even C, C++, main only entry point. Yes. JVM is going to be called the main method. So the main purpose of the main method is to, if there is any other function, other works has to do, Main, we have to call that particular function from the main. That is only its duty. If you add more things in a main function, what will happen, guys? If you want to do addition operation, there is a main, let's suppose there is a main method. If you do addition operation here, if you do multiplication, if you do division, what will happen, guys? If you want to reuse these operations, I want to use addition separately, I want to use multiplication separately. So in that case, everything if we write in the main method, what will happen? We can't reuse this ones, right? So that's why we are going to be we are going to be create every method, every function to do a separate perform a specific operation. That's, guys, that is the point here. Okay, guys, and what are the important things here? Let's suppose I have one method called add method. So I want to do two things here. I want to take one variable, I want to take another variable. Let's suppose second variable, I want to add this one. So how I will take the first variable and second variables? In this add method, I am going to be use these two variables, right? So we are going to be create a method with parameters as a int a, int b, because I need to use these two things in the to perform an operation. Inside we are going to be use these two things, so that's why I am going to be use this one. Yes, understand how we are going to be add parameters? How we are going to be use the parameter, guys? Parameters are arguments. How we are going to be used? If you want to use those arguments to perform that particular operation, we are going to be use that one. Let's suppose here the one add method with the only two variables, but I have a one requirement with the three arguments, int a, int b, and int c. Why I am going to be taking this time 3? Because I want to use these three things, a plus b plus c. That's why I'm taking this one. If you really remember one thing, guys, if you don't want to use the any argument, that argument we no need to give in the as the argument. For example, I don't want to use the int c, then what is the use of giving this one, right? So I don't want to give. But if you want to use the c, if you want to use the third variable, the only thing is we have to give. This is the important thing, guys. How we are going to be change the parameters, how we are going to give the parameters is based on that one. If you want to use that parameters, we are going to be give. If not use, what is the use of giving the parameters, right? Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Next important thing is return. The return. Okay, guys. Let's suppose you call a one function, you are expecting something from this function. Let's suppose you are expecting anything. So in that time, what we have to do? We have to return that particular thing, right? For suppose you are calling a add method. Let's suppose int a and int b. You are expecting to return something. Let's suppose here I am expecting to return summation of, addition of the a and b. So in that time, what we have to do? We have to use the return type here. And we have to use here return. What this function do? After the addition, it is going to be return that value. Guys, understand why we are using the return? If there is no requirement of, if you are not expecting anything, then no need to give the return. Yes. If you are not expecting, let's suppose I have a method, I am calling from the main, I am giving the variables as a add of a and b. This is the inside main method, guys. This is the main method. I am calling this method, but I don't want to require, like I'm not expecting anything. I just want to pass the variables. So I'm going to be use those things. Here I'm just going to be print as a plus b. So this method is not expecting to return something, right? Not expecting. So that's why I'm not going to be written anything. That's why I have given the void method. Void. Guys, understand the difference between the return and void difference? Guys, in this program also, while implementing the any logic, if you really expecting something, for example, if you call a one method, if you want to expect from result from that one, you have to use the that particular you have to use you have to use return, and you have to give that particular return type. If you don't want to expecting anything, if you don't want to use that one, so no need. What is the use of giving the returning the elements, right? Final value. So that time we have to give void. Yes, this is the very basic concept, guys. Okay, guys. Okay. From now we are going to be solve the problems, guys. I think as of now you have understand everything what I have told here. Guys, arrays concept is clear. Strings is clear, right? Okay. Okay, guys, fine. Let's solve the problems now. Today we solve the 10 questions, then we can stop the session. Guys, I have given the questions the easier level only here. You can take at least like a 3 minutes time for each question and try to solve this question, guys. Guys, can you see this one, right? Guys, here the thing is I have given a static variable k. Guys, you have a 3 minutes time, guys. Try to solve this one. Guys, if you didn't understand the question, please let me know, guys. Guys, you have 1 minute time. Mr. Frame, you're asking to print A, B, C, K. So that means 4 values supposed to come, right? Guys, take this one as like a screenshot or something. I will share anyway. I will share the everything. Better to after the session also you can solve by yourself. Okay, guys, fine. I'm going to explain this now. Okay, guys. Okay. First, what it is, we have a static int k. So we have to create one memory space for k, right? We are going to be create one memory space for k. Let's suppose I have created one memory space for k with default with value 1. Right? So what will happen when it comes to, yeah, wait a second, guys. I will explain you. Okay. What are the values, guys, here? A equal to 2, B equal to 3, and C equal to 4. So first what will happen? Find method is called here, right? So in this case, what is the C value here? C value 4. This value is 4. Here 4, right? C value. And what is the B value? B value 3. So here, right? So in this method, what will happen, guys? What will happen? Two memory spaces will be created. A value will be 4. B value will be 3. And here also memory space is created, guys. But these are part of this find method. These are part of main method. A value 2. B value 3. C value 4. Guys, you can see these A, B, C, these are part of the main. So these are local to the main. So A, B, C is a part of this main. Here you can see find method A, B is there. These are part of A, B. And you can see static here, static int k equal to 1. This static means it is belongs to the class. Guys, please listen, guys. You can do later. Here I have taken in static int case. Static means it is a class variable. So we have taken as a separately. The class variable is not part of any method. Class variable means static variable part of class. So we have taken like this. Initially what it came? Find C, D, right? Sorry, C, B. C value here 4 and B value 3. When it comes to find method, what will happen? A value is 4 and B value is 3, right? Here you can see, guys, what it is asking, k equal to minus k. So it is a pre or post? It is a pre. So first it is going to be decrement this value 0. Then it is going to be take this value. So here k value is 0 plus a. What is it? Plus a. It is a pre or post? It is a pre. So first it is going to be increment here into what it is, b minus, it is a pre or post? Pre. Directly it takes this value. Guys, understand this one? So what will happen in this case? 5 into 3, 15 plus k value is 0. K equal to 0. It is going to be written here. So find CB means it is written k value 15. So the what that is a equal to 15. So a will be here 15. Guys, understand? Guys, understand? A value is 15. Then next line, what will happen? C equal to find BC. What is the B value, guys, here? B value is 3. And what is the A value here? A value is 15. Guys, understand this one? Guys, understand this one? If B value is means B value is 3 and A value is 15. So when it comes to this method, find method, what will happen, guys? What will happen here? Guys, A value will be now this one B equal to 3, guys, right? So A will be 3. How it will be take? Here the first parameter, here the first argument. So int A equal to this B. So int A equal to B. What is the B value? B value is 3. So int A equal to 3. So this case A will be 3. What will be happen for the B? Int B. B means here A, right? Here the argument int B, here the parameter B. So int B equal to A. That means what is the A value? Is 15. Guys, understand this one? This value is 15. So it is going to be like this. Guys, understand this one, how I have done? Guys, please try to understand. I have explained you these all the things before only. These are questions are little bit like a medium to difficult level. In a exam also, you won't get this much difficulty question. But I am giving these questions because you will be benefited. That's why only. Okay. Now check, guys, what is the year? Minus minus k. So it is again pre. So first it is going to be change here -1. Again it will comes to replace here -1 plus a. What is the a value here? 3. This is the pre. So that's why it is first is going to be increment 4 into b minus minus. It is a post. So directly it will comes 15. After that is 14, right? Now check, guys, what will happen here? What will happen with k value -1 plus 4 into 15. Guys, 60 plus -1. What will happen? It is a 59. So return k value is going to be here 59. So c value will be 59. Guys, understand? Guys, understand how I have taken? Okay. Now comes to this part, find AC. What is the A value mean? Guys, when you want to take the value, that means that particular time, what is the last updated value? Check the initially A value 2. After that, what will happen? A value is 15. When it comes to axis, this one, what is the last update value is 15. So that's why A is the 15. Guys, understand this one? So what is the values in this case, guys? A and C. What is the A value here? A value is 15. What is the C value? C value is 59. A value is 15. C value is 59. Guys, right? Okay, guys. A third one you can do it yourself by after this session, guys. Guys, understand how I have done? Okay, fine, guys. Guys, next question will be guys, next question. You have a 3 minutes time, guys. Try to solve this question. Compared to that one, this is a little bit easy. Guys, you have 3 minutes time for this one. Try to solve this one, guys. Okay, guys. Guys, check this one. Here, x value is 1 and y value 2, right? We are calling the one function. Where is this function? This function is this one. Sorry, guys, this is the function 1. Wait a second, guys. Fine, fine. Okay, guys. This is the function 1, guys. Okay. While the calling this function, what will happen, guys? This first parameter is going to be stored in this first argument. And same as this, guys. Guys, understand? So that means what does it mean? In this main, in this function 1, int a equal to y. Guys, it is it is passing the y, right? What is the y value? 2 here. So that means what will happen? Int a equal to 2. In this function memory space, how it will be created? A with 2. Same thing, guys. What will happen? Int b equal to x, guys. Int b equal to x, guys. Check this one. Int b equal to x. What is the x value here? 1. So here memory space created for b 1. Guys, understand this, guys? Okay. Now comes to the point. What is the plus b? It is the pre or post? It is the pre. So initially it is going to be increment here. Now it will give the value to plus a. Initially 2, it is the pre, so that's why it is going to be increment as a 3. Here 3 plus. What does it mean? A plus plus. It is the pre or post? It is the post. So directly it will take its value. Then it is going to be increment here. Oh, sorry, A value, guys. Whatever it is going to be. Wait. Wait, guys. Wait a second, guys. Guys, A value here 2, B value here 1. Now plus B means it's 2. It will come to here 2. Comes to here 2. What will happen? Plus A. So A is going to be increment first. It gives the value plus A sorry, A plus. It is the post, guys. So directly it's take its value. Again, it's going to be increment here. So 2 less than 6 is true or false? It is a true. So that's why it comes inside. What it is? B equal to minus B. Minus B. It is the pre. So that's why it is going to be decrement by 1. So B value is -1. Here it gives the -1 plus, into plus B. What will happen? Plus B means -1. It is the pre. So it is going to increment by 1. So that's why it is 0. So it is going to be 0. B equal to, what will happen? B equal to 0. Guys, -1 into 0 is 0, right? So now B is going to be update with 0. Again, B equal to B minus 2. So what the B value here? 0. 0 minus 2 means -2. -2 is going to be stored in B. So that's why its value is -2. -2. So and in the while loop it comes the break. So that's why it comes out of the loop and it's going to be written the B value. What is the B value, guys? Here -2. So that value is going to be stored in Z. So we are going to be print Z. What is the final value, guys? It is -2. What Prem? I didn't understand. Did I do any mistake here? Wait a second. No, I didn't do any mistake. C value 0. That's where it comes to 2. 2 minus 1. So here we don't have. Bro, you can hear, right? Am I audible only, right? Okay, wait, I will unmute you. What is your name, guys? Prem, right?
Bro,
Wait a second, right? Bro, now try. Yeah, tell me,
bro,
bro.
can you hear me, bro?
Yeah.
Bro, instead of decrementing, you put -1, bro.
There,
Your
bro.
two decrement means it comes you the in B section 1, 2, and above that you have written -1. No, it not minus it. It is not -1. Actually, it is 1. Instead of 1, you wrote -1. It is decrementing. No, minus minus pre-decrement. Minus minus B into plus plus B.
Wait a second, I will do it. I will repeat this one, bro. Let me.
You just do the B section alone. It
Yeah, wait, wait,
will.
wait. Will do. Wait. Okay. Initially, A is y, so A value will be 2 here, B value will be 1 here, right? So what will plus plus B? So it is going to be increment here. So it is 2. 2 less than plus plus A. So plus plus A means it is a 3. 3 plus A plus plus. So directly first it takes the value. It is going to be increment here. It is 6. 2 less than 6 is a true. So it will comes inside, right? Now B equal to minus minus B. 2 minus what will happen here? It is going to be 1, right? 1 into plus plus B. It is comes to 2 here.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
This time on that
Okay,
time
okay. Yeah,
this
okay,
place
okay,
only
fine.
you
Yeah.
wrote -1.
Yes. 2 to minus. Yeah. Now it's a B value 2. Here B equal to B minus 2. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Right? Is it clear, guys? Answer is 0 only. Okay, fine. I'm also human like you guys. I also made mistakes. Okay, guys. Next one. Guys, try to solve this question, guys. Guys, you can see, right? Okay, guys. You can see, right? Try to solve this one, guys. This is I equal to j, guys. Is j equal to I? Sorry, j equal to j, guys. This one. First one ij, next one jj. Okay, guys, let's solve this one. So how array is going to be stored, guys? This way only, right? First one R, A, J, E, S, and H. What are the indexes here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, guys. Here we are initializing with the I value 0. Here I value is 0. And what is the J value, guys? Array length minus 1. What is this array length, guys? 6. 6 minus 1 means 5. J value is 5. Guys, understand this one? How I taken. Next, after initialization, what will happen? It comes to here. It is going to be check this one. I less than array length. What is the array length, guys? Array length is 6. I value is 0. 0 less than 6. True or false? It is true. So that's why it comes here. Guys, check. Here array of I. What is the array of I, guys? Array of I means array of 0. What is the 0? It is R. R less than array of J. J means this one. H. Is true or false, guys? Guys, R less than is true or false? Please message me in the chat box. How it is true, guys? Yes. What is the A value means? Character A value. What is the character A value, guys? Yes. So then what will be the R value? The less than only, right? R value is definitely less than 97 only, right? Yes. So in this case, R less than H is false. False. So what will happen? It is the false, so it will comes to the here else. Array of J equal to J. So we are not going to be change any value here. H value H only. Right? So next what will happen? It comes to here I plus plus. Initially I is here, J is here. J is here. Now what will happen? I plus plus. Now I value changed. 0 initially 0. Now it's going to be increment by 1. So I value comes to here. Guys, right? What will happen, guys? Here J value J minus minus. Initially here for initially 5. Now J minus minus. So it value is 4. So it comes to here. Guys, understand, guys, this one? I plus plus J minus minus. Okay, guys. Now again check, guys. We have to compare between A and S, right? Just tell me A and S. It is true or false, guys? A less than S. True or false? In this case, it is the true. Yes, true. Then what will happen, guys? A of I equal to A of J. A of I. What is the A of I here? This one A. What we are going to do? A value is going to be replaced with J value. So here instead of A, what will happen? It is S. Guys, understand, guys? Now what will happen after if else? it will comes to again I plus plus and j minus minus. So now I value is 2, j value is 3. I comes to here, j comes to here. Guys, understand how I am doing this one? Okay, now comes to here in the if check, j less than e. True or false, guys? This one. Again, it is false. Yes, again it is false. Now what will happen? A of j equal to A of j. So E value will be E only. Right? A of j equal to A of j. E value will be E. So no, nothing changed here. Now what will happen? I plus plus and j minus minus. So in this case, I will be comes to here. J will be comes to here. Right, guys? I value will be 3. J value will be 2. Guys, understand, guys? So in this way, we have to do everything, guys. So we'll check here. Guys, this is the output, guys. Guys, finally it will give this one, guys. RS J sir. Guys, remind I am telling you up to the off only. Other thing you have to try by your own, guys. Okay, fine, guys. Okay, next question would be guys, you can see, right? You have 2 minutes time, guys. Try to solve this one. Guys, if you guys anybody can't solve the question, no need to worry, guys. Sunday I am taking at least like a 2 hours class with the 20 more questions. I mean this type of very difficult level questions. 20 to 30 I will explain everything in a live. No need to that time I don't ask you to solve this question. Myself only I solve everything. So this time please try to solve this questions. If you get the exact answer, right? If you don't know, at least you will get an experience, right? You will understand where you have done a mistake. Okay, guys. I'm going to solve this one now. Okay, let's take another 1 minute and try it, guys. Okay, guys. Let's see this one. Initially, memory space will be created, right? A value is 10. So B value 0. Okay, guys. Now comes to here some value is 0. Okay. When it comes to here, what will happen, guys? It is going to be first comes to the initialization phase, nothing is there. And it comes to the here checking phase, conditional phase, here nothing is there. By default, it will take a true, right? So that's why it comes inside. What will happen here in the some case? Initially here some value is 0. Here a minus b, what is the a value, guys? Here 10, b value is 0, a minus 0, what will be happen? 10 minus 0, it is the 10, 10 going to be stored here. So initially 10, some value is, before it is 0, now it is a 10. Guys, understand? Now it comes here, sum equal to 0, it will check. What is the sum value here? 10, 10 equal to 0, it is false, so it will come here. What will happen? A minus minus, it is the even post, but it is not in the expression, it is singly, right? So it will take like this, 9, a value is 9, b plus plus, so b is going to be 1. Guys, understand how I taken? Okay, after again comes to here, this loop is true, right? It is come to here, it is again true, it will come here. Sum equal to a minus b. What is the a value here? A value is a 9, b value 1. 9 minus 1, what will happen, guys, in this case? Initially, take that. Initially 10, 0. So some value here 0. Sorry, some value is 10. It is comes to here. We are storing. Next one, what will happen? A value is a 9, b value is 1. What will happen, guys, in this case? 9 minus 1, it is 8. 8, guys. Okay, guys. What will happen in the next case? Same. This value will be 8. This value will be 2. In this case, 8 2 means what, guys? Some value is the 6. Some value will be 6. Next, what will happen, guys? 7 3. In this case, it will be 4. Guys, correct, guys? I'm just here. It will decrement, it will increment. I'm directly taking the values here. What will be happen in the next value? It value is a 6, it value is a 4. So final value will be 2. Some value will be 2. So this is going to be 2 here. Guys, understand this one? What will happen next case? This one is a 5. This one is a 5. Both difference is 0, like sum equal to a minus b, it is 0. So when sum equal to 0, what will happen? It will comes inside. It will take sum plus plus. So here some value will be 1. So it is a break. Break means it comes out of the loop. It will comes here. Now we are going to be print a value. What is the a last update value is 5. And b last update value is 5. And what is the sum value? Sum last update value is 1. Guys, understand, guys, how it came? 5 5 1. Nice, guys. Most of the guys done. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, guys. Next question. Guys, you have 2 minutes time, guys. Try to do this one. We are going to be print here array, guys. You have 2 minutes time, guys. Try to solve this one. Okay, guys. Nice. B, C, D. Nice. Guys, I have already explained about this one, right? What it mean by A of I plus plus means A of I equal to A of I plus 1. Right? What is the A values initially? A character. If you add one, what will happen? This one is going to be B. If you add 1 to the B, what will happen? It is a C. If you add 1 to the C, what will happen? It is the D. Same way it is E. Guys, it is a very, very simple thing, guys. Okay, fine. Next question. Guys, you have a 2 minutes time. Try to solve this one, guys. You have a 2 minutes time, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to solve now. See this, guys. Now I value is 0. What it has asked? Array of I plus plus, right? But it is a pre or post. It is a post. So it directly take its value. Now it is going to be increment. Right, guys? So array of 0. What is the array of 0 here? Array of 0 equal to array of 0 plus 1, right? What is the array of 0? A plus 1, B. So array of 0 will be B. Okay, guys. Wait a second. Initially here A, initially B, initially C, after D, right? But what will happen after this operation? A is going to be B. A into B. Now it comes to here. What it means? I plus plus. What is the I value, guys, here? 1. 1 plus plus what? 1. 1 plus 1. What will happen? It is a true. It is a 2. Now 2 less than array length is a true. It comes to here. Array I plus plus. So B, next time it's B not going to be affected. C is going to be D. Yes, guys. Guys, understand how I have done? Guys, most of the guys given the wrong answer only. I don't know. Guys, here I is going to be incremented by 2 times, not 1 time. First, it is going to be increment here. So initially, guys, I value is initially 0. First time it comes. Yes, yes. I equal initially I 0. When it comes here, it is going to be 1. again it comes to here, it is going to be true. Right, guys? So first time 0 time it comes, but 1 it is going to be missed. Second time it comes, and 2 third time it's not going to become. So that's why 2 values only going to be changed, 0 and 2 values. Okay, guys, fine. Okay, guys. Guys, try to solve this question, guys. Okay, guys. Let's see here. Right, guys? What is the A value here? A value here 123, B value here 0. So that's mean here what will happen? B value is 123 in this function. B value is 123, and same way A value is 0. Right, guys? Okay, now B equal to 0. What is the B value, guys? Here, what is the B value here? 123 is true or false? It is false. Right, guys? So what will happen in this case? B minus minus, it is the pre or post, it is the post, so it will directly take 123 plus A also same, so it first take 0. It's going to be increment, but that's not a matter here. It directly return the 123. Guys, understand this one? Fine. Guys, this is the last question today. Try to solve this question, guys. Guys, you can see, right? Guys, you have a 2 minutes time. Try to solve this question, guys. How its value came as -1? Guys, there is, you can see if condition. In that, if mem of I less than 0, that means it is a 0. So there is no chance of getting -1, right? Okay, guys, let's solve the question. We have given one array, right? I'm taking the array as like this. Is the 11 values. First one is a 10. Second is 7. Next 8. Next 6. Next 4. 3. 1. Guys, like this. Okay, guys, what will happen? We are just sending the array. It comes to here. What is the count value here? Count value is 0. Count value here 0. And what is the I value here? It comes to here. I value also 0. I value also 0. Okay. Okay. When it comes to here, what will happen? Count value is going to be increment count plus 1. So count 0 plus 1, what will happen? 1. It is going to be check count equal to mem dot length. Count value is 1 and mem dot length. What is the length of the array, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is the 11 this value. So it is not a true. So it comes to here. What will it is? That array mem of I plus of minus, right? How it will be, guys? First always goes inside, right? Inside. What is the inside here? This one. Mem of I plus. What is the here I value? I value 0. It is first take 0, but it is going to be increment 1. So mem of 0, what is the mem of 0 here? 10. Guys, understand, guys? So it is inside the mem, another mem, right? Is inside the another mem. So it value is 10. So now mem of 10, what is the 10 here? You can check, guys. Index is like this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, guys. What is the mem of 10? It is a 9. Guys, understand, guys? We are going to be decrement that value. So what will happen here? Initially, mem of 10 means that is a 9. 9 going to be 8. Guys, understand this one? So 9 is now updated to 8. This one is 8 now. Okay. Now what will happen? It is a true, right? It is going to be check here. Mem of I. What is the I value here? That what is the I value here? I value is 0. Sorry, I value is 1 here. Mem of 1. Mem of 1 is 7. Understand, guys? So it's not goes inside. So it comes again here. Now what will happen, guys? Count plus. Now count is going to be 2. So it is the first 2 equal to 11. It is the false. It comes here. So again it is going to be do like this. Initially it goes inside, right? What this value now? Mem of I plus. What is the I value, guys? In this case 1. But here it is going to be incremented to 2. What is the mem of 1 here? 7. So again it's mem of that 7. What is the 7 value, guys, here? 1. Now what will happen? This value minus, guys, it is going to be decrement by 1. Guys, understand, guys? Again it is going to be check mem of I less than 0. What is the here? Mem of 1. It is mem of 1 is a 7. It is not a less than 0. Right? So that's why it not goes inside and again loop comes here. It is again true. It will come count plus. It is going to be 3. Right, guys? So 3 equal to mem length. It is a false. So it will comes here. Again it is going to be check here value. What is the here I value? I value is 2. It comes to here 2. But it is going to be increment value by 1. Guys, 2 means here 8. Again it is going to be 8th place. What is the 8th place, guys, here? 8th place, this one. 0. Now what will happen, guys, here? Minus 1. It will happen to minus 1. Guys, understand this one? Okay. Next, what will happen, guys? Again, count value is going to be increment. Its value will be 4. And it comes here, it is false. And again, it will comes here. What is the I value here? 3. So it will comes to 3 here, but it is increment by 4. It is increment by 4. So now what will happen, guys? What is the 3 value? 6. It is going to be index here 6. What is the value here? 1. It is a decrement, so it is going to be 0. It is going to be 0. Guys, understand, guys? Now check mem of I less than 0. What is the mem of I? I value here. I value is a 4. Fourth value is not a 0, less than 0. So that's why it goes here. Now is going to be increment. Count value is going to be increment by 5. 5 equal to this is the false. Again it will comes here. Here also same. It's now it comes the fourth position, but it is going to be increment by 1 year. Right guys? What is the fourth value? Is the fourth year, and this value also year only. So it is going to be decrement by 1. It is going to be 3 year. Guys, understand guys? Now it comes to here. Mem of I means 4 less than 0 is true or false. It's a false. Come again. Guys, understand how I am doing? Okay guys, now it's come again. What will happen is count plus, so it is going to be value 6 here. It's going to be 6 value, 6 equal to mem length is a false. Again it comes here. What will take in guys? Initially it will take 5, but it is going to be increment here. What is the fifth value? Is a 3. Guys, fifth value is a 3. It comes to 3 index, and it is going to be decrement by 1. That means it's going to be 5 year. It is going to be 5 year. And again, mem of I, what is the I value here? 6. What is the 6 value? 0 is not less than 0. It is a false. So again it's going to be here. Again count value is going to be increment by 1. This means 7. And same, it is not. It is going to be true. This condition is going to be true. Sorry, false. And what will happen in this case? In this case, memory I value the 6 is going to be comes to here, right? It comes to here. Sorry guys, here I didn't miss to increment, right? Guys, I missed something here, but it will work in this way, guys. That's every time it is going to be first. Initially, it will go inside because highest priority is the array brackets, right? Highest priority, so that's why it comes inside. And first it is going to be check the value. Again, after final value is going to be incremented here. Guys, this is the way it is going to be happening like this. Guys, please try to solve by yourself, guys. I have missed something, so that's why I got confused here. Guys, you have to do like this way, pen and paper, so you will get definitely exact answer, guys. Okay, guys. Guys, here I am missed only one thing, guys. That is recursion. That is recursion. Tomorrow, mostly I won't take tomorrow class because I am going out tomorrow. And only pending is recursion only, guys. Recursion, I'm mostly Saturday I'm going to discuss about recursion plus around 30 questions. Because in this 30 question I am going to be solve 10 question, and 20 questions will be like assignment to you guys. Try to solve those questions, guys. So once you solve, I'm going to be share around like a 40 to 50 questions on Saturday. So try to solve all the questions, guys. You will definitely will be get at least 8 to 10 in the first round, guys. I'm only leaving the one topic, guys, here, pointers. Only leaving the pointers, because pointers is a little bit confusing topic. And second thing is like you mostly one question, maximum you will get one question only. So that's why if you leave it also fine, no need to worry. Others also mostly you will get from at least 8 to 9, guys. 8 to 9 questions definitely you can solve. And one more thing is like if some teams gives only based on Java, in that teams won't give the questions and pointers. So no need to worry. Guys, I am going to be solve this, share this paper today. Guys, it's too long. Okay, I will share this PDF.
Bro, Saturday, Sunday morning session or evening session, bro?
Bro, mostly I will take evening, bro. Evening like 4 to 6 like that I will take. Saturday and Sunday. Guys, try to solve these questions by your own, guys. Bro, binary search means that is mean recursion, it seems. No, I didn't create it in a classroom because my Google storage is already full. That's why I didn't create it. Okay, the previous time they asked binary search. Binary search means they have used like a recursion only, right? Yes, yes. They may give like this, guys. Like if you take the function like int mid, low, high, maybe they have given like this. Low equal to mid plus one, somewhere change after you are going to be called this one. This is called a recursion, guys. Recursion approach, that is. The next class I am going to teach about that one, and that time I will give you that program. Bro, binary search means nothing but everything is like a very simple, guys. If you treat everything as a something big, now you won't you're not going to solve them. Recursion is nothing but a simple function call. Function calls itself. Bro, I didn't understand your question, bro. Oh, instead of the like first round, they have given conducted you second round directly. You're saying that one, no? Sharmanan? Maybe the reason is like they are looking for some experienced candidates. Maybe if you are a experienced or somewhat, in that case, what they will do is like they will directly skip the first round. They directly give the second round questions. And our second thing is like that team has a very low openings, like very less openings. In that case, what they will do, instead of the call all the people, they will call the only few people, very less people, like 50 or 100 people, and they directly will conduct the second round. Maybe that is also possibility. Bro, I didn't understand. Sarnan, you can directly DM me in Telegram, bro. Yeah, that's what that I'm telling you. They may ask some questions from the binary search and binary search tree, BST, and a linked list, but very less actually. You won't get all some very minimal teams only. They give the questions that too only very minimal questions. Like they may ask to traverse the tree like that. Those are very easy only. Okay, will do, Prem. But actually, last time also they have conducted a like off-campus drive, right? They at that time the most number of people came. Still, their interviews are only going on. Yeah. For Joho, these are enough, guys. Arresting matrix, DP recursion is enough. But if you better to want to learn something like trees and graphs is no need. Trees, if you want to learn, you can learn just how the traverse will happen. That is only you have to learn. That is also I will cover, bro. In each first day only I told you, right? At least linked list and trees I am going to solve at least 5 and 5. That is basic question only. I am going to be solving after third week. I am going to be solve those things. While explain about the hoops, I am going to be solve those things. Like if you know the hoop, I am going to be tell how the tree looks like. So you will be easily understand and you are going to be solve this easily. Guys, try to like create your own questions and try to solve, guys. Then only you will be get good grasp on the topics. Because these type of questions you won't get anywhere, guys. Because these questions like framed by their self only. If any team is going to be conduct the exam, they only frame these questions and directly gives. So that's why you won't get these type of questions anywhere. You have to frame these type of questions by your own and try to solve this question. Yeah, here not like that, guys. There is usually how the paper will be like. Let's suppose one team given a uh, 6 question. Let's say 6 question. In that case, what will happen? Easy, medium, hard, right? They will give from the easy at least 3 and 2 and 1. So these 3 questions you have to do optimize. You should do optimization solution only. But this case in the medium level, it will be little bit tricky questions, right? If you do with the brute force also fine, they will accept it. Hard also. But if you do brute force, I mean medium level with the optimization, you will be like head of the other candidates, guys. That's one. That's why I'm telling you. But the first 3 questions you have to do because first 3 questions will be easy level, right? So those questions you have to do by the optimized solution only you have to write. But these two brute force also acceptable. But if you done it optimized, that will be good. That is the thing. And if you can't do this solution like a hard question, at least you have to explain them. I will try in this way, but I'm unable to like implement the program. At least you can explain that one, so you will get some good feedback from the examiner. That's the thing. Guys, these two things like easy level and medium level, I am going to be solved around 100 questions, guys. So you will be easily qualified. Not only here, anywhere small type of like product based companies is there, right? Like our company and some other companies is there. You will get easily qualified. No need to worry about this. Next 2 weeks is very crucial. Try to attend every class. Because the thing is like everything I am going to be telling like in a way like first will be linked with the second will be linked with the first. In that way, I'm going to be teach the next session. So that's why
Hello,
if
sir.
you miss the, you may can't understand next thing. That's
I
why.
have one doubt, sir.
Yeah. Yes, bro. Tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you, bro. Bro, low voice. Can you
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
speak?
ரவுண்ட்ல ஜாவா மட்டும் போதுமா
Bro, your voice is very low, bro. I can't hear you. Can you speak loudly, bro?
ஜோகோ சார் ஜோகோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரவுண்ட்ல
Ah,
ஜாவா மட்டும் போதுமா ப்ரோ
bro, I don't Tamil, bro.
ஜோகோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரவுண்ட்
Okay.
Java only need or not?
No, that is not required. Java is not required in first round. But the things like they will give the basic questions, guys. That will be done like a recursion question, function questions, and array. These are all same in any programming language. So basic questions and like a pseudocode, that is everybody can understand. If you know any programming language, also you can understand that one. But why
The first round only asking only pseudocode, not asking the program, right, sir?
yes.
Okay, sir. But in many websites, Zogo are asking first round C language. Do not using pre-built function like a sort, replace that like do not using
In a first round,
predefined
first round you're
Yes,
talking
sir.
about. Actually, in first
Yes, sir.
round, they give the pseudocode. Let's suppose they have given in a C. There is no predefined libraries for C, right? To sorting and searching, right? So that's why they won't give you those things. They give very minimal question, very basic level questions, guys. Very easy questions only they will give in a first round. But you should have a basic knowledge, like in-depth basic knowledge, then you can solve those questions. That's it. And why I'm asking you guys to learn Java means like in all the projects will be based on Java only here. So if you learn Java now, once you get into Java, once you
in
select
round 3 application development.
sorry, bro. That's what I'm saying. If you learn Java in application development role, you can use the library functions, guys. So in that case, what will happen compared to like C language, if you use Java, na, so you will be like you can use collections and everything and three different libraries. So it will be easy. Compared to C, you can't implement. Let's suppose if you want to do collections, how can you implement in a C, right? Yeah, that's what I'm
Yes, sir.
telling you. If you learn C, na, that will be very helpful. Not only Joe, if you go for other interviews also, if you learn Java, na, you can learn any other language easily. So that's the thing. Don't stick with the only like C or C, Java like that, guys. Try to learn whatever. Like if you know Java, go for other like servlets. If you know servlets, go for Spring Boot. Or otherwise, you know only JavaScript, learn to any framework like React.js or AngularJS. So that's why you can get more jobs, guys. If you apply, if you share resume with any other companies like HR, they will first see that things only, like you know any framework. Let's suppose you know JavaScript, you supposed to know Angular or React.js. If you know Java, that means they are looking for like Spring Boot. That's why you have to learn, upgrade yourself. You're still not get the job means you have a lot of time, right? Free time. Try to learn something. Everything is available in Google and everything available in
sir.
YouTube. Yes, bro. Tell me. First round method operations. Yes. Yes, first round is enough. What I have told you, that is really enough, actually, more than enough. Only I missed here only pointers. That is I'm not going to teach because it's a little bit confusing topic. So that's why I don't going to teach that one. Mostly you will get one question from the pointers, guys. So that's why everywhere you have to remember one thing. Like 80% of questions comes from the 20% of the syllabus. 20% of the questions will be come from the 80% of the syllabus. In anywhere it will be follow the same things only, guys. So if you learn, for example, if you learn this pointers, other things like 80% things, so you will get only 20% of the questions. From the year, what I told now, this is like a very basic 20% only these things, like very basic. These are like increment, decrement operators and loops, everything. So you will get 80% of the questions. So that's why I'm asking you to like focus on these things only. Instead of learning other things now, like structs, enum, pointers, those are like memory allocation. Those things are like little bit confusing and waste of time. You won't get any questions. That's why I'm telling you. Okay, guys, do you have any other queries, guys? Okay, fine, bro. Okay, I'm going to share this paper, sample questions. Try to solve this question your own. Okay, do one thing, like while solving, try to change the inputs every question and to try to solve by your own. That's why in this, if you do like that, na, every question, if you change the inputs and try to get the exact output like that, na, you will definitely will easily going to be solve the real time questions, real questions in exam. Try to do that one. Okay, guys, I'm going to be end this session, guys. Thank you, guys. If you guys have any doubts and like how to prepare for the technical interviews, please share your resume. So that's why based on the resume, I will tell you how to prepare that one. And if you don't have any
Sure, sir.
projects also, I'm going to teach in 4th week, right? You can add one project from that one. That is enough. Like any school type application or a ticket booking application, I will tell you. You can add it in your resume if you don't have any project. Okay, now. Fine, guys. See you. Okay, again, session will be on Saturday evening, guys. Tomorrow, I'm not going to be conduct the session. Okay, guys, thank you. I'm ending here.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.